చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే 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 చేసేలే ఎందుకు అనుకుంటా. ఓకే okay, now NCR by R plus 1. So what I've done is I'm going to use this formula from RHS to LHS now. So multiplied with n plus 1 and divided with n plus 1. Okay, so entire expression multiply by n plus 1 and divide by n plus 1. Now this part will be using this formula. This one will be n plus 1 CR plus 1 into 1 by n plus 1. So take 1 by n plus 1 outside the sigma because it is a constant. Change out the R value kada. So sigma summation is changing according to R values. So ఇక్కడ R value involve అయ్యలేదు కాబట్టి it is a constant term. So bring it out. Sigma R is equal to 0 to n plus 1 C R plus 1. Now observe the first term, n plus 1 C naught. If R is 0, this is 1. So n plus 1 C1 plus n plus 1 C2 plus n plus 1 C3 and so on up to n plus 1 C n plus 1. So n plus 1 C naught is missing. So it will be 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. So 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. If you remember this, integration lo iде vachindi manaku answer. Remember this expression 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So integration problem idi gurtunda. C naught by 1 plus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4 and so on. 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So earlier how did we solve this one? Integrated the given expansion and then put x is equal to 1. idokati. Next question. One into 2 into C1 plus 2 into 3 into C2 plus 3 into 4 into C3 and so on plus n into n plus 1 into Cn. Basically NC1, NC2, NC3 avi. Okay, na? Now sigma TR directly sigma adagala nenu. Okay, so I asked you the expansion, I have given you the expansion. Now I have to convert this into sigma part. Okay, so to write sigma, first you have to identify the general term here. R into R plus 1 into CR. Antena? R into first term 1 into 1 plus 1 into C1, 2 into 2 plus 1 into C2, 3 into 3 plus 1 into C3. So general term will be R into R plus 1 into CR. Whereas sigma R is equal to 1 to n, not 0 to n, it is 1 to n. Okay. So now this is NCR, write that. So sigma R is equal to 1 to n, R into R plus 1 into NCR, n by R into n minus 1 C R minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 C R minus 1. R cancel. Okay, now take n outside, n into. So here no need to change the limits here. No need to change the limits here because 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 is possible for the suffix, so no need to change the limit again. Now it will be R plus 1. What I am going to do this is, for this is, I am going to write R plus 1 as R minus 1 plus 2. Like in this question. Okay. So here the suffix was R minus 1. So I tried to bring R minus 1. Again, here the suffix is R minus 1. So I am trying to bring R minus 1. R plus 1 can be written as R minus 1 plus 2 into n minus 1 C R minus 1. Now n into, again expand sigma. Sigma R is equal to 1 to n. R minus 1 into n minus 1 C R minus 1 plus 2 into sigma R is equal to 1 to n minus 1 C r minus 1. Now n into sigma, I'll add the limits later, r minus 1 into, this can be written as n minus 1 by r minus 1 into n minus 2 c r minus 2. Now limit of r should start with 2 to n. Okay, cancel, plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Okay, now n into n minus 1 into r is equal to 2 to n. So n minus 2 c naught plus n minus 2 c1 and so on up to n minus 2 c n minus 2, which will be 2 power n minus 2 plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1, which is 2 power n. Now n into, take 2 power n minus 2 common, n minus 1 will be left. Here 2 square will be left. 2 square 4, 4 minus 1 3. So n into n plus 3 into 2 power. Any doubt in this? Okay, ఇంకోటి చూడండి. nc naught by 1 plus nc2 by 3 plus nc4 by 5 plus nc6 by 7 and so on, n terms. Okay, now see this, but observe the general term. Suffixes anni chudandi, observe the suffixes first. 0, 2, 4, 6, all those are even numbers. Denominators 1, 3, 5, 7, all these are odd numbers. So first even number, first odd number, first even number, first odd number. 2 into 0, sorry, 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 1. So 2 into 0 kada idi. Now sigma r is equal to 0 to n. ఏమైంది? nc2r by 2r plus 1. nc2r by nc2r plus 1. ఏం చేయొచ్చు ఇప్పుడు? ఇప్పుడు చూసాం కదా, ncr by r plus 1 ఉంటే మల్టిప్లై అండ్ డివైడ్ బై n plus 1 చేసుకున్నామా? సేమ్ అలానే multiply and divide with r plus, sorry, n plus 1. So n plus 1 by 2r plus 1 into nc2r into 1 by n plus 1. Now this will be sigma r is equal to 0 to n plus 1 c2r plus 1 into 1 by n plus 1. Take 1 by n plus 1 out into sigma r is equal to 0 to n n plus 1 c 2r plus 1. Observe this very carefully. Expand anything. See, if it is simply r here, 2r plus 1 లేదు, only r ఉంటే n plus 1 c naught plus n plus 1 c1 plus n plus 1 c2 and so on up to n plus 1 c n plus 1 అట్లా ఉంటే it is simply, sorry, 2r plus 1 n by 2. n by 2 ఉండాలి ఇది, sorry, because nc2n is not possible. Just a second. N by 2. Okay. Okay. So if it is simply r, okay, so the n plus 1 c naught plus n plus 1 c1 plus and so on up to n plus 1 c n plus 1 is simply 2 power n plus 1. But here suffixes are only odd numbers, like n plus 1 c1 plus n plus 1 c3 plus n plus 1 c5 and so on. So remember this is equal to 2 power n. Okay, but c0 plus c4 plus c6 and so on, all the even coefficients and all the odd coefficients, okay, both have the same value, which is 2 power n minus 1. Exactly half of this, 2 power n by 2, which is 2 power n minus 1. Similarly, here the index is n plus 1 and all the odd coefficients are present. So 1 by n plus 1 into, it will be 2 power n plus 1 by 2, exactly half. Like this is exactly half of 2 power n. This will be exactly half of 2 power n plus 1. So 1 by n plus 1 into 2 power n. That's the answer. Okay, na? Any doubts? చెప్పాలి, అండ్ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఫాస్ట్గా? ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి కదా, వెరీ గుడ్. Okay. Next, series using product of expansions. Solving series problems using product of expansions. ఇవి కూడా కొన్ని చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ మనం. Okay, using product of two expansions. Now the question here is nc naught into nc naught into 2ncn plus, sorry, minus nc1 into 2n minus 1 cn plus nc2 into 2n minus 1 cn minus and so on. Okay, na? Now observe this. What is this 2ncn? Reverse process lo I'm asking you in a reverse way. What is coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n? Ana? Coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n is NCR. What is NCR ante? In the reverse way, no, from RHS to LHS, NCR can be written as coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n. Now 2ncn, this is coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n. This is coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. This is 2n minus 2, sorry. This is coefficient of x power n in 2 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 2. Okay. Now, if you observe this nc naught, this is the coefficient of 1 in a 1 plus x whole power n. Coefficient of x in 1 plus x whole power n. Coefficient of x2, x square in 1 plus x whole power n. So ఇక్కడ 1 కదా 1 into x power n ఇక్కడ x ఉంటుంది x into x power n plus 1 x square into x power n plus 2. See, exponent of x is not constant if you include this also. If you include the coefficients of this nc naught, nc1, nc2 and all this, then you will not get a constant exponent throughout the series. Okay, so for the exponent to remain constant, what I am doing is, this expansion is nothing but coefficient of x power n. This is the coefficient of x power n into 1 plus x whole power 2n. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x power n in this? nc naught into coefficient of x power n 2ncn అదే కదా ఉంది అక్కడ minus nc1 into 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. Now what is the coefficient of x power n in this? 2n minus 1 cn. nc1 ఉండదు ఇంకా, nc1 already is there. Now plus nc2 into 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 2. Okay, now coefficient of x power n in nc naught 1 plus x whole power 2n, 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 even. So in all this, can we take anything common? So what I'm trying to do here is, what is the index here? I'm trying to create another expansion here. Okay, trying to create another expansion. Here the index is n, but the exponents are in terms of 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3. Now, if I make the exponents n, n minus 1, n minus 2, so to get those exponents, 1 plus x whole power n should be taken common. Coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power n can be taken common. See, this is 1 plus x whole power n into 1 plus x whole power n. This is 1 plus x whole power n into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1. 1 plus x whole power n into 1 plus x whole power, what is this? A power m into a power m plus n plus n minus 1, 2n minus 1. Atla. So if you take 1 plus x whole power n common, you will get nc naught into 1 plus x whole power n minus nc1 into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 plus nc2 into 1 plus x whole power n minus 2 okay, and so on, minus and so on. If you observe this, c naught x power n, consider 1 plus x to be x for some time, c naught into x power n minus c1 into x power n minus 1 plus c2 into 1 plus x whole power n minus 2. So this is the expansion for one plus x minus 1 whole power n. See, a minus b whole power n, nc naught into a power n minus nc1 into a power n minus 1 into b power n. 1 power anything is 1, so no need to write ones. Next, nc2 into a power n minus 2 into b square. So here a is 1 plus x and b is 1 anamata. So 1 plus x minus 1, what is that? 1 plus x minus 1, x. So x power n. Okay. Now coefficient of coefficient of x power n in this. Okay, so x power n is already present, so we have to multiply with 1 ante. Okay, so if you multiply x power n with any other term other than 1, any term other than 1, then you will not get x power n, you will get x power something greater than n. So to remain this as x power n, you have to multiply x power n with 1, the constant term which is 1 here. So coefficient will be simply 1. Okay, ఇది మీరు ట్రై చేయండి నెక్స్ట్. చేయండి రా అందరూ. చేయాలరా ఫాస్ట్ గా. ఇందాక క్వశ్చన్ లాగారా, సిమిలర్. మధ్యాహ్నం క్లాస్ మళ్ళీ 2:30కి రా. టూ థర్టీ డీటెయిల్స్ పెడతా, మళ్ళీ 2:30 జాయిన్ అయిపోయింది కొత్త లెక్చర్ మధ్యాహ్నం. అన్నారు కెమిస్ట్రీ 3 లెక్చర్స్, ఇంకా 2 కాదు. రేపు అయితే NC1 into n plus 1 CR, n plus 1 C1. Using the property NCR is equal to NCN minus R, this can be written as n plus 1 CN, n plus 1 C1 plus NC2 into, this will be n plus 2 CN again. Again, NC naught can be written as NCN, NC naught can be written as NCN, n plus 1 C1 can be written as n plus 1 Cn, n plus 2 C2 can be written as n plus 2 Cn, and so on. Now, what is this? Coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power n. This is coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power n plus 1. This is coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power n plus 2. ఇప్పుడు చేయండి రాదు, ఇంటి కూడా ఇచ్చేసా, చేయాలి ఇంకా. ఇంకా రాలే ఎవరికి? So this is coefficient of x power n in NC naught into 1 plus x whole power n minus nc1 into 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus nc2 into 1 plus x whole power n plus 2, sorry, plus and so on. Malli, you can take 1 plus x whole power n common again. This is 1 plus x whole power n plus 1, 1 plus x whole power n plus 2, which means you can take 1 plus x whole power n common. Then you will get nc naught into 1 minus nc1 into 1 plus x plus nc2 into 1 plus x whole square minus, now if you observe this bracket carefully, c naught minus c1x plus c2x square minus c3x cube, which is 1 minus x whole power అంటే 1 minus of 1 plus x whole power n expansion. దీని క్యాప్లెక్స్ అనుకోండి, 1 minus x whole power n c naught minus c1x plus c2x square minus c3x cube అట్లా. Now 1 plus x whole power n into 1 minus 1 0 minus x whole power n, which means minus 1 whole power n into 1 plus x whole power n into x power n. So coefficient of x power n in this one, okay, so minus 1 whole power n into x power n into 1 1, so minus 1 whole power n, that is the answer. In that question, one answer. This is simply 1 minus x, sorry, minus 1 whole power n. ఇంకో 10 minutes ఉందిరా చూడండి. Try to find the value of this 30c10, so 30c naught into 30c10 minus 30c1 into 30c11 plus 30c2 into 30c12 minus and so on plus 30c20 into 30c30. చేయాలి ఫాస్ట్గా. చూడండి, initially 30 C naught coefficient of, or you can say constant, x power 0 in 1 minus x whole power 30. 30 C10 is coefficient of x power 20 in x plus 1 whole power 30. Alane 30 minus 30 C1, if you observe, this is coefficient of x power 1 in 1 minus x whole power 30. 30 C11 coefficient of x power 19 in x plus 1 whole power 30. Alane 30 C2 coefficient of x square in 1 minus x whole power 30. 30 C2 basically this expansion is nothing but coefficient of x power 20 in the expansion. See, 1 minus x whole power n into x plus 1 whole power n. 1 minus x whole power 30 into x plus 1 whole power 30, which is 1 minus x into 1 plus x whole power 30, which is 1 minus x square whole power 30. Okay, x power 20 is x square whole power 10. Coefficient of x power r, suppose this is capital X. Coefficient of x power r in 1 minus x whole power n, it will be minus 1 whole power 10 into coefficient of x power r in 1 minus x whole power n, minus 1 whole power r into ncr. So minus 1 whole power r into n, 30 c r 10. So minus 1 whole power 10 1, 30 c 10. Adi answer. Previous JEE advanced question right there. This is a previous JEE advanced question. Okay. 230 gra మళ్ళీ. ఓకే ప్రీవియస్ మెయిన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం కొన్ని దాంతో అయిపోద్ది. బా